Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Cindy and I'm back with a new full tutorial for you guys, altering this cute door hanger in a winter snowy theme. I absolutely love winter and I'm the happiest when it snows. Too bad it isn't snowing that much in the Netherlands, but at least I can create some fake snow. I've added a list of supplies below the video and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you like my videos. Thank you for your support and have a wonderful day. I start by adding a layer of white gesso to the door hanger. I'm using Gesso by Finnabair, which is a thick, heavy gesso with really great coverage. I actually like the original color of the hanger, but I wanted to create a winter effect and I find working with a white background really nice with a winter theme. I will speed up some parts of this video, but if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below the video. I would be happy to answer them. This time I'm using blank tissue wrap to create some really nice texture. In combination with soft gel, this will look very pretty. I also use a sheet of AB Studio paper and I tear it into pieces. This will be the background for my door hanger. I'm using Finnabair soft gloss gel to adhere the paper. You can also use Mod Podge or something like that, but I really like the transparency and light texture of the soft gel. I adhere the tissue wrap pieces with some soft gel too. This paper crumbles very easy and I love that effect. You could also stamp on it to create your own tissue wrap. For an extra snowy effect, I use Finnabair paper paste, which is a light kind of paste, but with the texture of paper, which is really good to use as snow too. I'm using heavy gel to glue all elements together. I really think this is the most ideal medium because it takes a while before it dries, but once solid it won't come off anymore. I'm using metal elements by Midform Castings, Finnabair Mechanicals and some resin pieces created with Finnabair and Prima molds. time I first adhere everything and add a layer of white gesso next. It doesn't really matter in which order you do this, but I usually determine on the basis of the number of colors that I'm going to use, what I'm going to do. If it's just one shade, I mostly adhere everything first because it's easier to apply white gesso. I'm working with a number of different colors of Lindy's Gang sprays. For the exact types and colors, take a look in the description box below the video. I'm using Moonshadow Mist and Starburst together. Moonshadow sprays have this awesome walnut sepia kind of base, and Starbursts are the most sparkly inks you'll ever see. I absolutely adore the brightness and the high pigmentation of my Lindy sprays. But with this piece I wanted to create a snowy effect. So I'm adding a layer of white gesso using the dry brush technique. I'm not going to use water to dilute the gesso, but just brush it on roughly. This time I'm not really using a brush, but a dry sponge. This photo is one out of the Finnabair sticker book in the Daily Art collection. It holds some of the nicest vintage photos, and I use some white gesso on the edges for a more snowy effect, matching the rest. Underneath this pretty photo, I'm adding a set of Tim Holtz transparent wings. They are really cute. I'm finishing the door hanger with some transparent mica, which looks a lot like snow, some pretty silver and pearl glitter, and some extra paper paste to create some fancy snow. And last but definitely not least, I use one of those really cool text stickers by Tim Holtz. The perfect text with this hanger: embrace beautiful chaos. And this is the door hanger all finished. Don't you just love all the sparkles and the snowy theme? If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. It'll be my pleasure to answer them. Make sure to check out the list of supplies too and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.